Bonjour! If you are preparing for the DELF A2 examination, this video is definitely for you because it's a practice for the listening. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Before listening to the audios, let's look at the instructions. The word instructions is consigne. It's a feminine word, it's les consignes. Vous allez entendre 3 enregistrements. You're going to hear 3 recordings. So, enregistrement is recordings. Correspondant à 3 documents différents. Corresponding to 3 different documents. Pour chaque document, vous aurez, for each document, you will have, and then they're really giving you the instructions. So this is very, very important. 30 secondes pour lire les questions. So you will have 30 seconds to read the questions. Make sure you do that. And then you will get une première écoute, so a first hearing, puis 30 secondes de pause. And then they're going to give you a little break, a 30-second break, pour commencer à répondre aux questions. So at that point, you're going to start responding to the questions, okay? And then you're going to have a second hearing, une deuxième écoute, puis 30 secondes de pause pour compléter vos réponses. So you will have the same thing, but this time to ensure that you finish answering your questions. Then the instruction is not finished because you have to répondre aux questions en cochant la bonne réponse ou en écrivant l'information demandée. So you need to respond to the questions by ticking the right answer or by writing the requested information. So how are you going to do that? Well, you're going to have to tick a box or to write something. I understand that this is the old format. The new format is just multiple choice questions. However, just in case you don't know what you're going to get, just be prepared to get the 2. But in a couple of years, it will probably be just multiple choice questions. So, the key word here is cocher la bonne réponse. Cocher. What does cocher mean? This is what it means. In the first box, there's nothing. In the second, there's a cross. And when you have put a cross, you have coché. Okay? So, it means that cocher une case, a case which is a box, or cocher la bonne réponse is what they're asking you to do. My tips. Since you don't have the whole paper in front of you because it's a video, I would suggest you just write down the key words for each question. So if a question is about a price, you can put the word prix or price. So you know you will be listening for a number. In the first question, for example, is about what type of company it is. What is it? What are they selling? What is the service? So you're looking for that. The second question is about the location of that company. And you were already given 3 names. So you could rewrite those 3 names to see which one you hear when you're going to listen to the first hearing. Okay? So what I would say is you have your scrap paper with all these notes, and then you're going to transfer whatever you have, whatever answer you have on the scrap paper to the DELF paper. So let's read the questions, very important. Question 1, c'est une compagnie de, so here you have to add some information. The second one, you have to tick the box. La compagnie se trouve à, and then you have the 3 options. And for the third question, vous téléphonez pour faire une réservation. Sur quelle touche appuyez-vous? And then here they put the touche and you have to add something. Message numéro 1. Bonjour, vous êtes bien sur la boîte vocale de Deluxe Car de Rouen. Si vous voulez des horaires, tapez le 1. Si vous voulez faire une réservation, tapez le 2. Si vous voulez acheter une carte jeune, tapez le 3. Pour écouter cet enregistrement, tapez le 4. Pour laisser un message, tapez le 5. Now let's move to the second audio. For this one, I selected free writing for you, which is a little bit more difficult, I think, but it's good practice for you. Première question, le message concerne une carte. Combien coûte-t-elle? Deuxième question, quels en sont les bénéfices? Donnez 2 exemples. Bonjour, nous informons notre aimable clientèle que la carte spéciale week-end est en vente pour 32,50 €. N'hésitez pas à l'acheter pour bénéficier des réductions sur vos trajets pendant 6 mois. Enregistrement numéro 3. Question numéro 1. À quelle heure ouvre la compagnie? Question numéro 2. À quelle heure ferme la compagnie? Question numéro 3. La compagnie est ouverte le lundi matin. Vrai ou faux? I remind you that vrai means true and faux means false. Vrai ou faux? Enregistrement numéro 3. Bonjour, nos bureaux sont actuellement fermés. Nous sommes ouverts de 7 h à 19 h tous les jours sans interruption, sauf le dimanche et lundi matin. Vous pouvez nous contacter sur notre site internet. Merci et à bientôt. Here are the answers for enregistrement numéro 1. The first company is a coach company, une compagnie de car. Car is a coach. And la compagnie se trouve à Rouen. Rouen. The 3 options were Rouen, Rennes, Roubaix. And the answer is Rouen. The answer here is 2. So if you want to make a booking, you have to press 2. Message numéro 1. Bonjour, vous êtes bien sur la boîte vocale de Deluxe Car de Rouen. Si vous voulez des horaires, tapez le 1. Si vous voulez faire une réservation, tapez le 2. Si vous voulez acheter une carte jeune, tapez le 3. Pour écouter cet enregistrement, tapez le 4. Pour laisser un message, tapez le 5. So the card concern costs 32,50 €, 32,50 €. And for the second question, the benefits, what benefits does it give you? Well, one is il donne des réductions le week-end, so you have reduced price over the weekend, and it lasts for 6 months and not just for 1 month or 2 months. So this is another benefit. Bonjour! Nous informons notre aimable clientèle que la carte spéciale Week-end est en vente pour 32,50 €. N'hésitez pas à l'acheter pour bénéficier des réductions sur vos trajets pendant 6 mois. Enregistrement numéro 3. Here are the answers. À quelle heure ouvre la compagnie? So at what time does the company open? The answer is 7 heures, 7 o'clock. And at quelle heure ferme la compagnie? At what time does it close? The answer is 19 heures, which is 7 p.m. La compagnie est ouverte le lundi matin, vrai ou faux? The answer is faux, because it says that it's closed on Sundays and Monday mornings. Enregistrement numéro 3. Bonjour, nos bureaux sont actuellement fermés. Nous sommes ouverts de 7 h à 19 h tous les jours sans interruption, sauf le dimanche et lundi matin. Vous pouvez nous contacter sur notre site internet. Merci et à bientôt.